Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for honest and detailed reviews of the most exciting products online. Today, we're taking a close look at what we believe is the best washi tape set decorative rolls available right now. The WAPETASHI Washi Tape Set, 30 rolls of pure creative potential. Whether you're a bullet journal junkie, a die-hard scrapbooker, or someone who just enjoys adding a splash of color to your workspace or planner, this tape set is designed with you in mind. Let's dive in and see what makes this washi tape bundle a must-have in the world of arts and crafts. Right out of the box, the presentation sets the tone. The 30 rolls come neatly packed in a charming gift box, making it not only easy to store but also perfect for gifting. Think birthdays, Mother's Day, Women's Day, or honestly, just a thoughtful gift for your creative friend or even yourself. Each roll measures 3 meters in length and 1.5 centimeters in width, which gives you a nice balance between quantity and versatility. These aren't those tiny slivers of washi tape that run out after one journal spread. You're getting plenty of material here to decorate, organize, and personalize just about anything. What truly stands out is the color range. This is a rainbow collection in the truest sense: reds, oranges, yellows, greens, blues, indigos, purples, all beautifully vivid and rich. Whether you're color-coding your planner, creating scrapbook borders, decorating envelopes, or jazzing up gift wrap, this set gives you every tone you might need, all in one box. The quality is also worth mentioning. These tapes are made from high-grade washi paper, and they strike the right balance between stickiness and removability. They go on smoothly, peel off cleanly, and most importantly, don't leave behind a sticky mess. You can use them on paper, walls, plastic, and more. It even works well with most washi tape dispensers or can be torn by hand, which is super convenient during busy crafting sessions. And for the DIY vision board crowd out there, these are a dream come true. Adding color-coded themes or borders to your goals and dreams has never been easier or more aesthetically satisfying. Beyond planners and scrapbooks, I've seen people get super creative with this set. Think phone case decorations, laptop edges, handmade greeting cards, bookmarks, pencil holders. The possibilities are truly endless. It's one of those supplies that continuously sparks inspiration just by having it within reach. Teachers, students, artists, crafters, journalers, organizers, pretty much anyone who likes to make their world a little brighter and a little more personal. And for under $10 in most cases, it's a solid value. To wrap this up, the WAPETASHI Washi Tape Set with 30 vibrant rolls is not only colorful and fun, but it's also high quality, versatile, and an excellent addition to any crafter's collection. We love it for its practicality and creativity, and we're happy to call it the best washi tape set decorative rolls you can buy today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on reviews of products you'll love. See you in the next one.